Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to reset camera tips on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So, by default, if we scroll here and if we click whatever of these options, by default, and the first time we are doing that, they will actually tell us what they're doing. But after the first time, they'll no longer show up. If you want to make them show up once again, we can head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, you want to scroll all the way down and head into Reset. Inside Reset, you want to scroll down once again and you want to simply hit Reset Camera Tips. And as you can see, we'll get camera walkthrough tips again. So let's simply hit Reset. And now if we click on anything, we should see a nice tutorial on every single button, which is very convenient for newer users. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.